guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. And again, we've just been, killing it lately. Not to toot my own horn, but we've been making some pretty good trades recently inside the Discord. If you guys want to get access to the trades, guys, join in before we increase the price at the end of the year. We've just been shorting, longing, up and down, left and right, just all over the place. 34% here, another, another 15% today. And I think there was another one even before that. Oh, 9%. That's not always wins. So some wins and some losses, but majority are wins. So again, if you guys want to learn the Elliott Wave strategy, come and join in the Discord, guys. Come meet the gang and make some money. All right, let's take a look here. Right now, Bitcoin all over the place, chopping up, left, right, down, center. It has no direction. It's just being super volatile before FOMC. What I'm seeing here looks like to me like we have an impulse down, and now we probably need a wave. Either the wave 2 is in and this thing is going to collapse down, or you've basically run out of options and this is no longer an ABC and you're just going to play out like the WXY, and this is just another A, B, and a C, right? And it's just going to go into this area between 96 to 104. This is going to be your short area. This is going to be the area where you're going to want to look for shorts. But can we dip before FOMC? Yeah, I think we can. I think we could literally do a bunch of volatility and just sweep the lows and come back up and then come back down again. And it's going to be tough to trade if you don't know what you're doing. If you're on the wrong side of the trade, you're going to get caught, right? And this could really lead to significant losses if you're not prepared. At the moment, market cipher, kind of no direction. There's almost no momentum. We're just going sideways. So we're gonna have to use our other indicators to kind of get an idea, a grasp of what the market wants to do. So when we look at the 1 hour time frame, we're not really seeing any buying or selling on the wave edge, right? So we gotta look at the smaller time frames. Okay, 30-minute. You got some longs that got picked up here at 89,000. You got a pretty decent rally. You're actually back up to 90,300 from after hitting the $90,000 support again. Now taking out these lows here. Let's say we take out this pivot. Okay, we got to be careful. If we take out this pivot, you could still be in the X, right? You could still possibly be in the X, kind of how I outlined it before. You can make the case that this is some sort of another A, B, C, another WXY. It's just getting very complicated. But yes, you can make the case that's how it's going to play out. But I would still look for the flat target, right? Because you could call this a flat. And the flat target's still at 81,000. Now that's pretty extreme if it does hit there, but I want to play the higher probability setups, and that would be probably to come back and just sweep these lows at 87, 85, something like that, and then start to come back up into the 96 to $104,000 region. Okay, so I'm not really interested anymore in trading this chop. I've made a couple trades here or there. But I think we're going to play it a little bit safer now, and we're going to look for some opportunities to get into some shorts up here or some longs down here, right? I'm not going to get in or out in this area anymore. I think we've played enough with it, and we were on, luckily enough for us, we're on the right side of the trade. But let's keep it that way. Now the cross X indicator still has a sell signal. I'm going to be adding a live stream for this one, guys, so please subscribe, like and subscribe, help those live streams get up back up to our numbers, since after YouTube accidentally banned my account and then made me lose 75% of my viewership because of a nonsense error. But yeah, I'm thinking that if this signal is going to play out, you're going to get some downside, and you got major support at 76. So for my next trade, I'm just going to be sharing it inside the Discord. If you guys don't want to miss it, feel free to join. Links in the description. All right, peace.